Welcome to Students Mathematics YouTube channel designed for students from class 9 to class 12 and beyond. A plus 1 by a is equal to 3. Then a to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10 is equal to question mark. That means we have to find out the value of a to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10 where a plus 1 by a is equal to 3 is given. Now writing first given condition a plus 1 by a that is equal to 3. To find writing this side to find a to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10. Naming this equation 1. If squaring both sides 1, then we will get a square and 1 by a square term. If again we square after that, we will have a to the power 4, 1 by a to the power 4 and so on. But we have to get a to the power 10 terms. To get that, it may be better if we get first a to the power 5 plus 1 by 2 to the 5. After that, if we square, we will have a to the power 10 plus 1 by 2 to the power 10. May be followed by another method. So, trying to do this first squaring both sides. Squaring 1 both sides. Therefore, a plus 1 by a that of square is equal to 3 square. Expanding this according to the formula a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square means here 1 by a square plus 2ab, a means a, b means 1 by a, that is equal to 9. Or a square plus 1 by a square, this a cancelled, as a not is equal to 0, that is equal to 9, transposing these two to the right, minus 2. Or a square plus 1 by a square, that is equal to 7. We will try to find a to the power 5 plus 1 by a to the power 5. So now writing this or naming this 2. Now keeping both sides 1, giving 1 both sides, have a plus 1 by a whole cube, that is equal to 3 cube. Now expanding this using the formula so expanding left hand side by using this formula a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 a 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that means 3 3 the 9 and 3 9 the 27. Or now a cancelled out because a not is equal to 0. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 a plus 1 by a from 1. What we see? This is given a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. So put the values of a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. 3 that is equal to 27 as a plus 1 by a, that is equal to 3. Now simplify again. A cube plus 1 by a cube, that is equal to 27 minus 3 3 the 9, or a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 27 minus 9, 18. Name it equation 3. Now multiplying equation 2 and 3, so that we will get a to the power 5 and 1 by a to the power 5. So multiplying equation 1 and 3. Therefore, a square plus 1 by a square into a cube plus 1 by a cube, that is equal to 7 into 18. Now multiply this, a square into a cube, that means first term of the first factor multiplied by the second factor. Similarly, second term of the first factor multiplied by second factor. Multiply these two numbers, one 26, or a square a cube a to the power 5 plus 1 by a, that is equal to 126. Now grouping, and this is grouped by a plus 1 by a, then the value of a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. Transposing that, 1 by 26 minus 3, here writing as a plus 1 by a, that is equal to 3. Or a to the power 5 plus 1 by a to the power 5, that is equal to 123. Now squaring both sides, because after squaring we will have a to the power 10. A to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10 plus 2, a means a to the power 5, b means 1 by a to the power 5, that is equal to 123, that of square. A to the power 5, a to the power 5 cancelled out because a not is equal to 0. So a to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10, that is equal to 123 square minus 2. Now finding here 123 square, that means 123 into 123, 3 3 the 9, 6 3, 6 4 2, 3 2 1. 9, 12, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11, 5, 1, or -2. Here is doing 7, 2, 1, 5, 1. Therefore, is equal to 1, 5, 1, 2, 7. Hence, the value of as per question is solved. But this question, if it were given, find the value of a to the power 20 plus 1 by a to the power 20, or in one any more thing, a to the power 30 plus 1 by a to the power 30. So, if there were any general method, it may be easy to find for any values. Now we'll try to find a general method. So, writing again the question, if a plus 1 by a is equal to 3, find a to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n, and hence find a to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10 when n is equal to 10, and verify this result. To do so, we will develop a recurrence relation. A plus 1 by a is equal to 3. Now multiplying both sides, multiplying and denote Sn is equal to a to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n. Therefore, a plus 1 by a to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n 3 now multiplying left hand side, a to the power n plus 1, whenever multiplied a by a to the power n plus 1 by a multiplied by a to the power n, a to the power n by a plus a into 1 by a to the power n plus 1 by a into 1 by 2 to the power n plus 1. Right hand side writing this Sn as Sn is equal to a to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n, because our aim is to find a recurrence relation, that means recurrent formula. Next step, a to the power n plus 1 grouping plus 1 by a to the power n plus 1 plus this will be a to the power n minus 1 plus similarly 1 by a to the power n minus 1, that is equal to 3 Sn. Next, obviously we may write n plus 1 as per this theorem, plus s n minus 1, that is equal to 3 Sn, or s n plus 1, that is equal to 3 Sn minus Sn minus 1. So we have the recurring relation or recurring formula, that is Sn plus 1 is equal to 3 Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here writing when n is equal to 1, when n is equal to 1, then what we have, S1 is equal to a plus 1 by a, and that is given that 3 will give S1. If n is equal to 2, put n is equal to 2, what will be, S3 is equal to 3 S2 minus S1. Therefore, that is equal to 3. We should find also S2 here. S2 is equal to what we have got, S2 is equal to this a square plus 1 by square, that means 7. S2, that is equal to a square 7. So 3 into 7 minus S1 means 3, that is equal to 21 minus 3, 18. Next, put n is equal to 3. What we have, S4, that is equal to 3 S3 minus S2. We have got the value of S3. S3 is equal to 3 into 18 minus S2 is equal to 7. That is equal to 3 into 18, 54 minus 7. That is equal to 7, 4, 47. Next, put n is equal to 4. Then what we have is 5. That is equal to 3 S4 minus S3. So 3 S4 is equal to what is 47 minus S3 is equal to what is 18. That is equal to, we are doing rough, 47 into 3, 21, 14, minus 18, that is equal to 3, 2, 1, 123. Now put n is equal to 5. What we have is 6, that is equal to 3 s5 minus s4, that is equal to what? 3. S5 means 123 minus S4. S4 means 47. That is equal to 3 3 the 9, 6 3 minus 47. After subtracting 47 and 2 2 3. Now put n is equal to 6. S7, that is equal to 3. S6 minus S5, that is equal to 3. S6 means 322 minus S5 means 123, that is equal to minus 123, that is equal to 3 8 to 7, that is equal to 3. S7 means 322, that is equal to now put S9 Alright, next put 9, what we will get? S10 3 S9 into S8 is equal to 2207. Now here simplifying 5778 into 3, 7 2 1 151, that is equal to 15127. Hence, therefore, S10, that is equal to a to the power 10 plus 1 by a to the power 10, that is equal to 15127. Verify the answer had before. 15127, exactly same answer. So in this method we may get for any value of n, that means we may find a to the power 20 plus 1 by a to the power 20 and so on. But these process may be thought that it is very lengthy or hard, but it is general. Thank you for watching this video.